Welcome students. In the previous class we are discussed about valency, and today we are going to study how can you write the chemical equation or chemical formula of a compound by using the valency. Okay, how you write the chemical formula of a compound by using valency. For that, familiarizing that, we are discussing the molecular formula or chemical formula of some compounds. So listen, we have to write the chemical formula of sodium chloride. We want to write the chemical formula of sodium chloride. If you hear the name sodium chloride, so that include two atoms, which are the one is atom of sodium and another one is atom of chlorine. So sodium and chloride. So sodium chloride. We know that the atomic number of sodium is 11 and chlorine atomic number of sodium is 11 and chlorine it is 17. Okay, if you write the electronic configuration, we get 281 and here 287. Okay, then you just find the valencies of these two elements. Sodium, its valency is 1, chlorine also its valency is 1. For to write the chemical formula of the compound, the element that have least electronegative, that want to write it first. So it is sodium, it is least electronegative and the electronegativity is greater for chlorine. So that is have the second position. Then that is the first step, you write the symbols of the corresponding elements. Then second one, you just take the valencies, that valency of sodium is 1 and valency of chlorine is also 1. Then interchange the valency, that valency of sodium is given to chlorine and the valency of chlorine is given to sodium. Interchange the valencies and write as subscript, that is in the base index. Okay, in the base index, write as the subscript or in the base index at the bottom layer, you just write the number. If it is 1, there is no need to write. If it is 1, there is no need to write. So here it is 1 and also here 1. So you just can simply write what? NaCl. So just simply closely you write NaCl, sodium chloride. So that is the method. One more, 2 or 3 or more examples we are explaining here. So next compound, you want to write the molecular formula of another compound, that is aluminium oxide. If you want to write the chemical formula of aluminium oxide, so if you are hear the name, we know that contain aluminium and oxygen. The aluminium its atomic number is 13, oxygen its atomic number is 8. So if you write the electronic configuration, we get 2, 8, 3, here 8, so the electronic configuration 2, 6. If you write the electronic configuration, just find the valencies. If you know the valency, it is easier. The 3 electrons, so that will donate the 3 electrons. So its valency is 3. Then oxygen, 6 electrons are there, so it will accept the electrons, 2 electrons, so its valency is 2. So you are finding the valency of aluminium and valency of oxygen. So the first step, just find the valencies of corresponding elements. Then write the element that have least electronegative. So it is aluminium and second position for oxygen. That is the first step. First of all, you just find the valencies. Later, just write the symbols of the elements that have least electronegative and higher electronegative, like the order. Then take the valency of aluminium and oxygen. It's in your mind. Aluminium 3, oxygen 2. Interchange the valencies. Interchange the valency. Give the value of aluminium to oxygen and oxygen to aluminium and write as subscript in the base index in the bottom level. You just write it. So here aluminium, what is its value? 3. That is given to oxygen. So you just write here 3, not in the base index of aluminium. Want to write at the oxygen because we are interchanging. The value of oxygen, it is 2. Just write here. So it is Al2O3. That is the chemical formula of aluminium oxide. Okay, I think you get the idea how to write the chemical formula of a compound by using the valency. One more example, that is for carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. How can you write the chemical formula of carbon dioxide? So for that we have carbon and oxygen. Carbon atomic number 6, oxygen 8, carbon electronic configuration 2 4, its valency is 4. Then oxygen 2 6, its valency is 2. Then less electronegative is carbon is writing at first, then oxygen. Then interchange the valencies. Carbon is value 4, oxygen is value 2. If you are interchanged, that time the oxygen get the 4 and carbon you just write here 2. If it is 1, there is no need to write. If it is 2, just want to write. So C2O4. Then in the base index or subscript, that will be able to divide by a common factor. Because it is 2 and 4, it is possible to divide by using a common factor. If it is possible to divide using a common factor, that you must do by dividing that a common factor. How you can dividing? C 2 by 2 and O 4 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1, no need to write 1, C is enough. Then 4 by 2 is 2, so CO2. Carbon dioxide. So chemical formula is writing the method of by using the symbols of the compound and their valencies, the number of atoms required to combine with another one that we are writing. So one carbon atom is combining with 2 oxygen, that is carbon dioxide. Then NaCl, one sodium atom is combined with 1 chlorine, NaCl. Aluminium oxide, Al2O3, 2 aluminium atoms combined with 3 oxygen atoms. Thus we are able to know by using the chemical formula. Like that, all of you want to write the molecular formula of the compounds that's given in your textbook related with a table. All of you just write the questions and fill the chemical formula in your notebook and write the equation given in your textbook also related with writing the chemical formula of a compound by using the valencies. Students, so up to here we are completed our second chapter, chemical bonding. All of you study this chapter well and complete the question given in your textbook in the let us assess portion. All of you write the question and answer given. And the questions are given in your textbook related with let us assess. Pure of that, you just study the chemical bonding chapter well and complete the notes and given activities. Later you just write let us assess into your notebook. Thank you.